Hello, welcome back. Today discussion by 8MP E27 bulb Wi-Fi camera, ATEX zoom dual lens, indoor surveillance, human tracking wireless, two-way audio cameras, color night vision.ai functions, motion detection, color night vision, and quick reaction to detecting motion. Easily monitor every corner of your life. Simple and flexible storage options, 345-degree pan, 90-degree tilt. You can control it through the app directly, whenever you want, and wherever you are. Android, iOS at your Windows, multiple platform, support multiple platform monitor, support most popular smartphones and computer, Mac support share, 810, family member, remote access camera, 2, care home. Buy product, Aliepress, Hun product link, follows the description.
Thank you very much for watching my video, and please share and subscribe. See you again in the next video.